Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Welcome back to another video, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Cardano Ada latest update, my friends. Once again now the Cardano again ready to explode, and you can see here, my friends, that the changes of the Cardano Ada is positive 3.5%. So now again at this time the Cardano started to jump. Absolutely, now at this time they're in the jumping mode. Let me zoom in the price chart. You can see here, my friend, that is the last 1 weekend chart. But if we look the latest situation, so now the latest situation, you can see the green candle represent the jump of the Cardano Ada, and 1.22 USD dollar is the highest price, and you can see here they are again going to hit the highest price of the Cardano. 1.21 USD dollar is the current price, and 1.22 USD dollar is the highest price of the Cardano. So they are again going to hit 1.22 USD dollar, my friends. So this means that's really a good news video for all the Cardano holders, that after a long-term fall, you can see here in a previous time the Cardano price is completely falls down, but now in the latest situation the price of Cardano start pump. My friends, you know what, at this time I recommend for all of you to invest more and more in the Cardano. Cardano is the next gold of the digital market, my friends. So please invest more and more in the Cardano Ada before the price become very highly. Invest now in the Cardano, my friends. Now this time the price of Cardano is very low. 1.21 USD dollar is the current price, and you know what, the next one the price of Cardano will be 2 USD dollar, and to the last of 2021 possibilities that the Cardano price become 87 USD dollar. That's my target for a Cardano, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Cardano Ada? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.